Welcome to Blaze Bright, where motivation meets inspiration. Today, we bring you powerful quotes to ignite your passion and drive. First, remember, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts, said by Winston Churchill. Next, let these words guide you. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today, said by Franklin D. Roosevelt. And finally, reflect on this. Believe you can and you're halfway there, said by Theodore Roosevelt. Join us on Blaze Bright for more daily doses of motivation. Subscribe now, and together, let's blaze a path to greatness.